Welcome to Netherlands Library's summer reading program's unboxing video. If you opted to make your own journal, you would have received an envelope that kind of looks like this. And there's a few things in here that are going to be infinitely useful in making your journal. So, the first thing that I see in here, just because I'm a safety fan, I found a threaded needle with some thread on it. This is going to be used for actually binding the book, but since it is, can be a little pokey, I went ahead and found that first. Made sure I had that. The next thing I found was the journal itself. It will consist of two main parts. You have the colored paper, which will end up being your cover, and you have the folded paper, which will end up being the book inside the cover. Okay. I don't know the technical terms. I'm sure I will figure that out later. But anyway, so we found the actual journal part. And the third thing I found is a little pamphlet that kind of helps us assemble this. Don't forget, there will also be videos for putting the book together and so many more things on our YouTube channel. So if you have any questions or maybe need a little bit of clarification, or if you just need to hit pause to slow things down, go check out our YouTube channel, nedlibrary.com. It's not .com. It's a YouTube channel. You know what I'm talking about. You guys know YouTube better than I do. So anyway, those are the 3 items that I found in my kit. Don't lose them.